Today we are building pull-out drawers with Scrapwood.
I'm building the pull-out drawers for my parents-in-law. Hope this will help them a little bit around the kitchen. Honestly, I think a pull-out drawers is the best solution for any kitchen, any cabinet in general, for any age. The plan: use scrapwood to build and use the existing cabinet shelf as the bottom of the drawer to save money and not too much waste. I have tons of scrapwood in my shop, and this was a perfect idea for me to get rid of some scraps. Once I got my scrapwood pile on the sides, was time I started cutting the width, which is 2 inches for me. Of course, you can cut this in any size you want. Once all my width was cut, it was now time to get crosscut sled and cut all the final length and depth. Sorry, I don't know how to say depth. I have a hard time with TH. Anyway, I'm not going to get into the measurements here because I think it depends on your cabinets. I have a few different cabinet sizes, so even my length will vary. But my depth will be 22 inches, and mostly cabinets are 24 inches, so you can go as deep as that. In my case, some of the cabinets has some pipes in the back, and I just want to decide to do a standard 22 for everything. What happening is I'm building this for my father-in-law, and he already gave me the shelves, the existing shelves, so I can use that for the bottom, so we can save some money on the plywood. And again, because I'm using already the existing shelves for the bottom, which is 3¼ inch. I would not recommend to use this material, which is melamine. It's very heavy. But he wanted me to use and to save on cost. If you want to know a little bit more of how to build drawers in terms of measurements, let me know in the comments below and I'll make a video covering just that. So like I said, I'm using melamine for the bottom and I'm just cutting the right size. I sanded all the dirtiness behind the scenes and actually looks really good. It looks like new. To put them together, I use screws and glue for the plywood parts. Later on, I came back and kind of sink the side because I didn't like the way it was looking, and also because I forgot that the hinges actually would go there. So to install my melamine, I first used some red nails and then I reinforced with some screws, and pretty much that's it. I installed. I could not show me installing because it has too many people around when I was installing in my parents-in-law's kitchen, so I don't have the footage either. But this is the final look and looks so good.